Well, I just spent the night on this lovely bus from Germany. Sorry, just awake. Long night, long day as well. Right, it's 7 a.m. Check-in isn't until 2, maybe 3 p.m. But I've never been in this kind of district. I want to see this building, actually, funny enough. So I'm going to just walk around this little area, see what I can see, and then just toddle around a bit, get some breakfast, and then go from there. I think we might come in here and spend this big spread the expense. Breakfast with a view, that'll be nice for the content. The joys of my channel is to get out and explore a bit, so yeah, that's out and about, just walking around. Don't know if you've ever slept on a bus or tried to sleep on a bus. It's the most awkward thing ever, unless you can sleep sitting straight up. Try this breakfast with a view. Hello, good morning. I was looking to get the breakfast on the roof.
Okay, you can go upstairs. Please.
Okay, thank you very much. Ooh. Oh yeah. I'll look at the views, enjoy the views. Around, see what the view's like. I think we're the first one here, so. Rooftop bar grill. Is it cocktail time? It is 5 to 3 a.m. Let's see if they're open. details on the door. Like. Love this. Let's see if we can get a nice. Where's the? That's there. I think I prefer this view here. Love to see it in there with the warm, cozy things on it. I kind of do know what I want. I'll have a look here. I don't know, I'll make it a bit of a treat today now. Breakfast, yes. Oh, the menu seems to be different. So I was looking for string bread, roasted bread. You know, I might just go with the, I don't want to say the word, the breakfast. Get that in. When you're gonna have a nice breakfast with a view. I'll let you know how much it costs in the end, if I remember how much. So it's an orange juice and a Irish breakfast, mocked. Video. That's romantic. Exits. So there's a Black Angles bar. Looks like you can smoke cigars and shit down there. It'd be expensive, but because I spent €37 there. The beers. Beer in Czech should be cheap, like €2-3. They were €10 each, like. It was insane, that was. But the view was fantastic.